Hi students, let's see ratio and proportion part 5. So please make sure that you are watching the previous videos before watching this one. Ready? So today's topic is questions based on additions and subtractions. So in this part, first I will be explaining 4 models. After that we will go through some yearly questions from SSC. Ready? So let's start the first question. How much will less each term of 17:19 that it will be 5:7? Question mark. So we don't know how much will be subtracting, that we need to find out, isn't it? So we'll write let x be the subtracted number. Ready? Therefore, what you will do now? 17:19 is the ratio, but how much will be subtracted? X. 17:19 means you can write 17/19. But we are subtracting x from each. That means minus x and divide by minus x equals. Then the ratio will convert into 5:7. 5:7 means 5/7. Okay. Now what you'll do? We'll go for cross multiplication. See, this way. That means these two will write first. That is 5 into 19 minus x equals 7 into this one 17 minus x. We'll open the bracket. 5 into 19. 5 19s are multiply and check it. That will be 95 minus 5 into x. 5x equals 7 into 17. You need to multiply and check it. That will be 119. So 119 minus 7 into x. 7x. Next step, what you'll do? X will bring to one side and the number will carry to the next side. Ready? That means minus 7x goes to next side plus 7x. That means 7x already here minus 5x equals 119 is here. This 95 goes to next side plus 95 goes next side minus 95. Ready? Therefore 2x. See, 7x minus 5x, that is 2x. So 2x equals 24. So what you will do? Both sides we will cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. When you cancel here by 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Therefore x equals 12. That means x equals 12. Let us see the next question. I'll read the question once. How much will be added to each term of 3:5 that it will be 2:3? Of course, we have to find out how much will be added to each term of 3:5. That means we are taking let x be the added number. Ready? After that, what will happen? The ratio is 3:5. In this 3:5, we can write 3:5 mean 3/5. So 3/5, what will happen? We are adding x. That means 3 plus x divided by 5 plus x equals that it will be. Then it will convert into 2/3. That means 2:3 means 2/3. Ready? Let's cross multiply this one. So this way we'll cross multiply. That means 3 into 3 plus x equals 2 into this one. What is that? 5 plus x. Implies 3 into 3, 9 plus 3 into x, 3x equals 2 into 5, 10 plus 2 into x, that is 2x. Ready? After that, what will happen? This implies x will carry to next side and the number 9 will carry to the other side. 2x plus is coming to next side, it will be minus. That means 3x minus 2x equals 10 is already here, plus 9 goes next side, minus 9. Therefore 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x, 3 minus 2, yes, 1. 1 means you can write 1x means you can write x. X equals 10 minus 9, that's 1. Therefore x equals 1. Okay, let's go to the next model. Two numbers are in the ratio 7:9. If 5 is added to each number, then the ratio between them be 4:5. Find the greater number. See the question. Two numbers are in the ratio 7:9. So we'll write let x be the common ratio and 7:9 is the ratio between the numbers. That means you'll write and 7x and 9x are the numbers. Ready? Now what will happen? If 5 is added to the numbers, then the ratio will convert into 4:5. That means what will happen? 7x and 9x are the two numbers. If you add 5 to each term, what will happen? The ratio will convert into 4:5. That means 4 by 5. Cross multiply. So what will happen? This will write first. That means 9x plus 5 into 4 equals this 2. What will happen? 7x plus 5 into 5. We'll open with 4. 4 9s are 36. X plus 4 into 5, 20 equals 7 5s are 35. X plus 5 5s are 25. Now x will carry to one side and the number will carry to the other side. Therefore 36x minus 35x is coming to the next side, isn't it? So minus 35x equals 25 is already here, plus 20 goes next side, minus 20. Therefore 36x minus 35x, what you will get? 1x. That means x equals 25 minus 25. Ready? Now what do you want? See, according to the question, we need to find out the greater number. Therefore the greater number, of course the numbers are 7x and 9x, then you can understand nicely 9x is the greater number, isn't it? Therefore the greater number 9x equals 9 into 5 equals 45. Okay, I'll write the next question. Two quantities are in the ratio 2:3. Each quantity is decreased by 5. It makes the ratio 3:5. Find the smaller. See, this time two quantities are in the ratio 2:3. So we'll write, let x be the common ratio. And two quantities are in the ratio 2:3. That means what you'll write? 2x and 3x are the quantities. Ready? Now according to the question, if you decrease 5 means subtracting 5. That means what will happen? 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 5. Then the ratio will become, what will happen? 3:5. That means 3 by 5. Let's cross multiply now. So what will happen? This 2 will write first. That means 2x minus 5 into 5 equals this 2. That means 3x minus 5 into 3. This implies, we'll open the bracket. 5 2s are 10. That means 10x minus 5 5s are 25 equals 3 3s are 9x. 3 into 5, that is minus 15. Now x will carry to other side. Minus 25 will go to the next side. Therefore 10x. 9x is plus, comes to next side, minus 9x equals minus 25 goes next side, plus 25. Already here minus 15. Therefore 10x minus 9x, that is 1x. That means x. X equal 25 minus 15, that is 10. Now what do you want? We want the smaller number, isn't it? Therefore the smaller number is what is the smaller number? 2x. 2x equals 2 into 10 equals 20. Now let us see some of the previous year question papers. I'll read the question once. If the sum of two quantities is equal to 3 times their difference, then the ratio of the two quantity is option A 1:3, option B 3:1, option C 2:1, option D 2:3. Of course it came in SSC CSF 29/8/2010 question paper. Already given, if the sum of two quantities is equal to, that means two quantities are given. So we'll write, let A and B are the two quantities. Now sum of the two quantities equal to 3 times their difference. That means what you'll do? A plus B, sum of the two quantities equal to 3 times their difference. Difference means minus. Ready? So this implies A plus B equals, will open with 3. So 3 into A, 3A. After that 3 into minus B, minus 3B. Ready? After that, B will carry to here, and of course A will carry to the right side. That means what will happen? B minus 3B comes to next side, plus 3B equals 3A is already in the right side, and plus A goes next side, minus A. Now B plus 3B. B plus 3B means 4B. So 4B equals 3A minus A. 3A minus 1A. That means 2A. So this implies, if you want, you can write 2A equals 4B. See, first I am writing 2A equals 4B because we want A by B, isn't it? So what will happen? This implies 2 into A. 2A means 2 into A. 4 into B, that is 4B. Ready? Now this B multiplication goes next side, divide. That means I will be writing here A divided by B equals 4 is already here. This multiplying this 2, if it goes next side, will divide. Now we'll cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That means we got it. 2 by 1 equals 2 is to 1. That means the correct option is C, that is 2 is to 1. Okay, I'll read the next question. At present, the ratio of the age of Maya and Chaya is 6 is to 5, and 15 years from now, the ratio will get changed to 9 is to 8. Maya's present age is, of course, option A, 21 years, B, 24 years, C, 30 years, and D, 40 years. It came in SSC Tier-1, 19/6/2011. Ready? So actually this question we already done in age problems. That is much easier than this model. Anyway, since we are doing ratio, we will do this method. Ready? So let's do this. At present, the ratio of the age of Maya and Chaya is given 6 is to 5. That means we will write let 6x and 5x are the ages of Maya and Chaya. See, after 15 years, what will happen? Both of their ages will be increased by 15. That means what will happen? The age of Maya will be 6x plus 15, and the age of Chaya will be 5x plus 15. But their ratio is already given. What is that? 9 is to 8. That means divided by 5x plus 15. Their ratio is already given. So we are writing the ratio of their ages. After 15 years, Maya's age will be 6x plus 15 and Chaya's age will be 5x plus 15. Their ratio is already given in the question. 9 is to 8, that means 9 by 8. This implies, let's cross multiply this one. This two will write first, that means 6x plus 15 into 8 equals 9 into 5x plus 15. Ready? This implies, we'll open the bracket now, 8 into 6. That means 6x into 8. 8 6 are 48. So 48x plus 8 into 15. That is 120 equals 9 into 5. 45. 45x plus 9 into 15. That is 135. Ready? After that, x terms will carry to the left side and 120 will carry to the right side. Ready? That means 48x minus 45x equals, because 45x is plus, goes next side, minus, equals 135 is already here, 120 is plus, goes next side, it will be minus 120. This implies 48x minus 45x, that is 3x, equals 135 minus 120, that is 15. Now both sides we can cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. When you cancel here by 3, we'll get 3 5s are 15. Therefore x equals 5. Therefore the age of Maya is, that is 6x equals 6 into 5 equals 30. That means the correct option is C, that is 30 years. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Next question, I'll read it once. If A by 2 equals B by 3 equals C by 4, then the value of A plus B plus C by C is option A 9 by 2, B 3, C 4 by 9, D 9 by 4. Of course, it came in SSC Tax Assistant 13/12/2009. Ready? Let's start the work. What is given here? A by 2 equals B by 3 equals C by 4. This implies A by 2 means you can write A into 1 by 2 equals B by 3, you can write B into 1 by 3 equals C by 4, you can write C into 1 by 4. This implies we are converting into ratio. That means what will happen? A is to B is to C equals. What will happen? This 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2. So 2 is to 1 by 3 will convert into 3 by 1. That means 3 is to 1 by 4 will be 4 by 1. That means 4. Ready? That implies A is 2, B is 3 and C is 4. See, A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. Ready? Therefore, we want now A plus B plus C by C equals. The value of A is 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 4. Ready? Now 2 plus 3 that is 5. 5 plus 4 that is 9. 9 by 4. Ready? That means the correct option is D, that is 9 by 4. Ready? So let's go to the next question. I'll read the next question. If A by 3 equals B by 2, then the value of 2A plus 3B divided by 3A minus 2B is option A 12 by 5, B 5 by 12, C 1, D 12 by 7. Of course, it came in SSC DEO 4/12/2011 question paper. Ready? Let's start the work. What is given here? A by 3 equals B by 2. This implies A by 3 we can write A into 1 by 3 equals B into 1 by 2. Ready? That means this implies A is to B equals, what will happen? 1 by 3 will be 3. 3 is to 1 by 2 will be 2. That implies A equals 3 and B equals 2. Okay, now what do you want? We want the value of 2A plus 3B divided by 3A minus 2B equals 2 into the value of A is 3 plus 3 into the value of B is 2 divided by 3 into the value of A is 3 minus 2 into the value of B is 2 equals 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4. Now 6 plus 6 12 divided by 9 minus 4, that is 5. Correct option is A, 12 by 5. So such questions will be practicing again. So what you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the next video. Okay.